Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Airtable with Google Drive, detailed guide step by step clearly. To connect Airtable with Google Drive, first, log in to your Airtable account. Once logged in, open the base where you want to integrate Google Drive. Next, locate the Apps section in the top right corner of your screen. Click on the Apps button to open the Apps sidebar. In the Apps sidebar, search for and select Google Drive. If prompted, click on the Install button to add the Google Drive app to your Airtable base. After installation, you will need to authenticate your Google account. A new window will appear asking you to sign in to your Google account. Enter your Google account credentials and follow the prompts to complete the authentication process. Once authorized, return to your Airtable base and open the Google Drive app. You will now see options to create new links or import files from Google Drive. To upload files, click on the Upload button within the Google Drive app. Select the files you want to import from your Google Drive account. After selecting the files, click Open to begin the upload process. The files will now be uploaded and linked to your Airtable base. You can further organize your files within Airtable as needed. To ensure smooth operation, review the settings in the Google Drive app. Confirm that permissions are set correctly for access to your files. Finally, test the connection by attempting to open a linked file from Airtable. If everything is configured correctly, you will be able to access your Google Drive files seamlessly. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.